Chapter 6. When Prophecies Come True. On the Trojan beach one day, Odysseus asks a priest,
"How can we win this war?"
"Bring Achilles here,"
the priest answers. So Odysseus goes to Greece for Achilles. Before Achilles and Patroclus leave for Troy, Thetis arrives. She gives some golden armor to her son. At first, Achilles does well in Troy. He kills many Trojans. Then he and Agamemnon have a disagreement. Achilles brings back a Trojan woman from one battle, but Agamemnon takes her. After that, Achilles stays angrily in his tent. Under Priam's son, Hector, the Trojans begin winning the war. So Patroclus visits Achilles.
"Please come and fight."
He says.
"No."
Achilles answers. But he gives his golden armor to his friend. Patroclus wears it. In battle, Hector sees the armor.
"Hey, Achilles!"
He cries angrily. Hector fights and kills young Patroclus. After that, Achilles fights and kills Hector. He takes the Trojan's body back to his tent. That night, Priam comes. He asks for Hector's body, but Achilles says no to him. Days later, the Greeks get in their ships and go. They leave a big wooden horse on the beach.
"What a wonderful horse!"
"Horse, wonderful."
The Trojans cry. They take it into Troy. But when the Trojans sleep, the Greek ships come back. Odysseus and his friends come out of the horse. They open the town gates to Agamemnon's men. Soon, Troy is in flames. Trojans and Greeks fight. Paris hits Achilles in the heel with one of his arrows. It poisons Achilles, and he dies. Then the Greeks kill Priam and Paris, and they find and take Hecuba, Cassandra, and Helen. That night, all the different old prophecies from before come true.